je što se ne da žegama divnim olujama i ja nikad ne dam se kroz stvarnost luta. Život moj je poput hladne rijeke, bez kraja nivi juga se iz nekog razloga neznana, negdje ipak prestaje. Negdje ipak prestaje. Nisam sudac, ani mudrac, teško nosim to kamenje, to breme sjećanja na svojim leđima. Gdje god dođem, kud god prođem, već je netko odlučio u ime onoga što nas je stvorio. A nije se borio. Neću izdat ja Boga nikada.
What does your miracle, your Quran, say of the birth of our dear Lord Jesus Christ?
May I relate the words?
Come closer to me.
In the name of God, most gracious, most merciful. Relate in the book the story of Mary, how she withdrew from her family to a place in the east, how we sent to her our angel Gabriel, who said, I am a messenger from your God, to announce the birth of a holy son to you. She said, how shall I, Mary, have a son when no man has touched me? And Gabriel replied, for your Lord says, it will happen. We appoint him as a sign unto man, and a mercy from us. It is a thing ordained.
The difference between us and you is no thicker than the slide. Not for a mountain of gold will I give them up to you. You may live in Abyssinia in peace for as long as you wish. May God's blessings be upon you on your return.
Samo
is no thicker than the slide.